Are you ready for the bee borders? Of course you are. Okay. 25.5 inches by 6.5 inches. I've ironed it in half so I know where my middle is. The middle is where I'm going to put my first bee. It's going to be rocking up a little bit. Each border block, and there are 8 in total, has 3 bees. You just want to space them. The one in the middle rocks up, the other 2 rock down. You can make your bees go whatever direction you want. Just make sure you leave enough for your seam allowance so you don't lose anything when you're stitching. So for your border, you're going to end up with 8 of these bee blocks. 2 of these bee blocks will be sewn together to make a bee section. So you'll have 6 bees. And then you'll have skeps on either end of the top border and just bees on the side borders. I'm not going to show you me ironing all of them down. I'll be back when I'm stitching.